BirchStreet Systems Recipe Management Solution, empowering you to control food and beverage procurement costs and consistency across all of your organization's kitchens. Provide consistent dining experiences efficiently across properties. Source each ingredient by supplier. Create each recipe by ingredient. Build each menu by recipe and distribute menus across properties with precision and complete visibility. The BirchStreet Systems solution features recipe creation, including ingredient quantities, directions, images, and videos, allergens and intolerances, identify a recipe allergy and food intolerance interactions, while nutrition calculation provides nutrition lists including calories for recipes. Recipe costing shows price visibility of ingredient cost for each dish and menu. Publish and share recipes enables online distribution to your organization's private recipe library. Event recipe scaling interfaces with point of sale, event ordering, and other systems to scale recipes. What if analysis models ingredient substitution and other recipe parameter changes. Recipe to requisition to inventory manages and tracks inventory based on consumption. Our customers create an immediate impact by contracting suppliers with the best prices, quickly using cloud-based electronic requests for quotes and electronic tenders. With cost savings per year of 8 to 12%, reduction in administrative costs of 20%, and cycle time reduction of 50 to 70%. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Recipe Management Solution can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.